So everyone has seen this 30 seconds spirographs before, and I do this by myself too. These little cutie short ones here. But how big I can draw a spirograph when I have 30 minutes time? So let's find this out today. First of all, for those who might not know, a spirograph is a geometric drawing toy. You have all kinds of toys, mostly seen these kinds, the original spirograph. Then there is a very easy toy called Cyclex, suitable for kids. And then there are some gears like wild gears. I do prefer wild gears the most. And yeah, with all these toys you can produce all kinds of mathematical curves known as hypotrochoids and epitrochoids, and it's super fun and you can create all kinds of beautiful arts. But yes, let's start. So let's use a bigger paper here, and I love to insert with blue tag, or here in Finland we have these white tags, and I love to use these big outside rings from Wild Gears. I love Wild Gears, thanks to Wild Gears to sponsoring me so many gears. Oh, here we go, half an hour time. To start our spirograph, I choose pink and black and start with this little 27 ring. He will give us a lot of rounds, but here we go. Ow! 5 minutes on this and my pen is stuck to my fingers. Ay ay ay. Thanks to this little cutie one here. Thank you, thank you. Now the next one. So get all this one here. And our egg shaped. Always making mistakes. 3, maybe 4 of each. Dark, bright, and black. Well, I think I will speed that up for you. So here we go. Beautiful, look at this. We need a baby gear. Found him. Yes, thank you. So we have still some time, and now I put this baby back. Oh yes, now I know what we can do. Let's make a circle around. I can do it. Oh yes, I can do it. I think I can do it. I have 15 minutes. I can do this in 15 minutes. And not jumping over. Oh my god, this will be so difficult. doing is harder than I was thinking about. So I still have a little bit over 7 minutes time. I have everything done here double. That will make more rounds, I think. So there is one single line for some reason. Let's see. Yes, I can fix this one single line. Now there should be all two lines. It would make more rounds if I am going on, but I will not do it in time. So I try to color it to make the best out of this spirograph and to get in more colors of this beautiful pink. And let's see, what should we choose? Some mistakes here and there. I think I have skipped here somewhere this little imperfections. Some imperfections here and there. Let's see what I could color. I could color this here to make it more easy for the last minutes. So yeah, you can see some skips, so time pressure skips on here for me. It's always nice to color the spirograph, so it's like a mandala. 6 more minutes to go, and the same here. So you already can see the changes between a 30 seconds spirograph and a 30-minute rushed spirograph with some imperfections here and there. There, let's correct a little bit like this, just to get in some more lines. Can I get this in 5 minutes time? Oh my god, 2 minutes. I think we did it. I think it's okay like it is. Like now, 2 more minutes time. Let me see if I can make some more in a minute. Can I do some more in a minute? Maybe I could do some more here. Just a little touch. To cut some contrast. I can do it in 1.5 minutes. I can do it. Last little final touch. 50 seconds. 20 seconds. I think it's enough. It's enough. It's enough. Half an hour. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So 10 last seconds. Oh, maybe there's some more here. Some here. A little bit off my table, I think so. Yes, it is. Yeah. Oh my god. So half an hour later we have our big spirograph made with black and pink colors. I hope you go and try this also now. Be inspired, check out my next video and see you again soon. Bye!